afternoon, how are you? So today I want to teach you how to log into the skills box and how to register your skills box so that you can start to do your diagnostics and be ready for the test. So the first thing is to open a Google Chrome browser. Yes, your machines have got default browsers, which are Edge, Microsoft Edge, but we are not going to use Edge. We are going to use Google Chrome. So when you get to Google Chrome, you need to type www.skillsbox.com on the URL. So this will be your URL. So you need to type www.skillsbox.com. Please don't search for the skills box, just type www.skillsbox, then you press enter. Please don't search skills box on the on Google. So as it loads, we can use this one which I've already loaded. Don't worry about the other accounts which are appearing there. So as a first user, you might need to know how you register yourself so that you have your account. So you need to click on new candidate. Then after clicking on new candidate, you receive a picture like this. Are you a robot? You click and it will tick. Then you click to continue. So you need to enter the email which you sent to the lecturer or which you sent through that account. So today I'm using this account, Aninyasha Simba at gmail.com. So the moment I click on verify the code, automatically the code will be sent to Aninyasha's email. So if you got your email, you will find that there's a verification code which have been sent to your email. So you go to your email, you copy the code. These codes are very different. Then you go on skills box, you paste it and verify the code. So after verifying the code, the system will compare with the email that you managed to put into the system with the one that you have. So if the email that you give us is correct, it will give you the page that you'll be able to enter your email. Then you can type your email. Please don't give your email to anyone. So after that, then you can click on create. So these fields did not match well. Let me type again. I don't know where I'm going wrong. So after entering your email, it will prompt you to able to log in. So you click on login. So the moment you click on login, don't worry about saving this. So it's Anenyasha Zimba at gmail.com. So for your emails, you need to put a strong email. So after that, you can easily log in into the system. So when you log in now, you're going to have terms of use. So you need to read on all these terms how you are going to use the system. For now, I'll click. Then when you get into the system, you will see that you have got 4 credits. For your 4 credits, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So you manage to do the online essentials, the presentation, the spreadsheets, and the documents. So we will start with the online essential. So when you click on online enroll, you click on enroll, then you're going to use your first credit to log in into the online essentials. So you click go to the modules. So this page will appear on your screen where you have different types of resources. Either you are going to use the ebook or you are going to use the e-learning. So the e-learning, you've got a lot of videos that you can watch. Then for the ebook, it's just a book. Then after completing everything, you're going to click on assessments. Then when you click on assessments, you click on start diagnostic. So when you click on start diagnostic, you're going to do your diagnostic. The system will load a certain page that will help you to do your assessments. So it's going to check your screen resolution, your browser, then your operating system for the essentials. Then you click OK. Then after that, you can click on start. So when you click on start, you can start to answer the questions which are there. So when you complete answering, you can click end or you can click on pending, given that you don't want to continue with the assessments. Then after that, you click on back to modules. So when you click to back to modules, you can go to enroll maybe to documents. Then after enrolling to documents, with documents now, we have got the ebook again. Then also you have the applications that can help you to learn. Then from there now, you can as well click on assessments. But this time, when you go to assessments, when you click on diagnostic, the system will only click on OK, given that you managed to activate the pop-ups to enable the tabs and the plugins and the extensions, and make sure you are using a licensed Microsoft Office. If your Office is not licensed, it won't put OK. Then I will post another video which shows you how to work with plugins, how to work with extensions, how you can correct your pop-ups. For now, thank you. Good day.